All right, guys, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making a nice watermelon cucumber salad, something fresh, something to beat the heat. It's gonna be delicious, so let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Okay, this is one of my favorite summer staples. All you're gonna need, some watermelon. I have some cubed watermelon right here. You can buy it pre-cubed or you can do it yourself. It's gonna taste better if you do it yourself. It's gonna be fresher. That's what I recommend. But if you're in a rush, if you're lazy, buy it pre-cubed, whatever. No one's gonna know. I'm not gonna come after you. Then we have some limes. I got 2 limes here. Cucumber, love cucumbers. You put them on the eyes. And then I have some feta cheese. Also black olives. If you're an olive fan, olives will go great in the salad. And then I have some beautiful mint here. Mint and watermelon, they go hand in hand. It's a great, just really refreshing mint. It's a natural palate cleanser. But that is it, you guys. Very simple. We're gonna start by making our salad dressing. Now, whenever you're making a salad dressing, it doesn't matter if it's for this, if it's for a regular salad, whatever, just remember this. Always with dressings, it's 3 parts base to 1 part acid. So what's your base? Your base is your oil. In this case, we're using a good quality olive oil. And what's our acid? Our acid is gonna be a combination of apple cider vinegar and lime juice. So measurement doesn't matter. All you have to do is eye it out. If you can tell, because everything floats on oil, whatever principle of science that is, you can see just by eye, 3 parts oil, 3 parts base to 1 part acid. And then let's go with that lime. Now limes, any citrus, anytime, to give it a roll first, get the juices released. Beautiful. And now, before I squeeze this one, I'm gonna take some zest out because I want some of the zest for my salad, just to have a little bit more lime flavor. Not too much. Here's my microplane. Okay, fuck, everything's coming out of that. So just a little zest of lime is gonna go on top of this watermelon. Remember, whenever you're zesting, don't go too deep into the pith. Make sure it's washed and don't go too deep because then it's gonna get very bitter. Fuck me. Hold on to the lime. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do 1 more of those. 1, 2, boom, that's it. There we go, that's all she wrote. So now, take, God damn it, the fucking light! Whatever, it's gonna be darker, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I mean, I charged that shit. I charged that shit all night. Top it off with apple cider vinegar, just until we get that ratio we want. So 3 to 1. That's close enough. Maybe a little bit more olive oil, boom, and we're there. Yeah, that's 3 to 1. Now, black pepper, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, just a hint, just a touch. If you have a lid, you can just shake it up, that works best. I don't, so what am I gonna do? Vigorously whisk with a fork. Vigorously with a fork. Oh my God, that is not good. No, that is not good. I just broke my measuring cup. Fuck, now I'm leaking, I gotta restart. All right, cut. God damn it, dude, this is a good measuring cup. All right, we're back. I've remade the dressing. The bowl didn't shatter this time. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? When you think everything's gonna go right, nothing goes right. So now, next step, let's peel and chop up our cucumber. Chop. Where the fuck is my peeler? I swear to God, this episode could not be going worse. Here it is. Sorry guys, I'm losing it. Peel your cucumber. If you wanna do something fun, you wanna do maybe ribbons of cucumber. So once you peel it, then you can do it like this. And look, see, you have these little ribbons. That's not bad. That's kind of fun, actually. Oh, look at that. I'm not gonna do that, even though I just did 3. I'm gonna cut it in half and just chop it up. That's our bowl of freshness in there. I'm gonna take those ribbons out because that looks weird now. Let's go in with that mint. Make sure you get none of the mint stems in there. You don't want stems. Stems can be bitter with mint, so just those fresh leaves. And if you want, give them a smack, boom, boom, boom. Get those oils woken up. Get them going, smack them around a little bit, and then feta cheese. Beautiful thing for this salad. If you don't like feta cheese, grow up, okay? Grow the fuck up. You don't have to put it in, whatever. It's delicious though. Dressing goes in. This is gonna soak in with the watermelon, kind of get in there. Boom, you're gonna have that bite. Everything's gonna pop. Everything's gonna pop. Let's just give this a quick mix up. Nice light toss. And you're spilling and I'm spilling. And I'm an idiot today. This is not my day. Some days you're great. Some days you break shit. Your light goes out, yada, yada, yada. And let's just give this a go right here. Ready? Oh my God. Oh my God. I was having a little bit of a rough day, as you can tell. This turns it around. This picks you up, says, hey, here's a freshness. Here's a little bit of freshness in your life. Here's a little smile. Here's what you need today. A nice, look at this, with the watermelon right there, the mint on it, and then that acid is soaked in, that lime juice is soaked in, the oil is soaked into the watermelon, it absorbs everything. The longer you let this sit, the better it's gonna taste. And go in for a little bite. This right here, this is summer. If you wanna do a little fun trick, one last thing. If you really wanna understand the power of salt, what salt does, take a watermelon. Now this has some salt in it from the dressing, so take an unsalted watermelon, hold it like this, and put the little bit, tiny bit of salt on it. Just a tiny bit. Just that much. Then take a bite. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You shouldn't taste salt. What you should taste is an intense flavor, an intense watermelon, an intense mint, an intense cucumber. That's what salt does. That's the beauty of salt. So play around, try it. It's fascinating. It's fascinating. It's science. It's food. Guys, that's going to do it for this episode. I almost hit this bowl. I don't want to shatter anything else. I'm Chef Donny. I'll see you next time. Peace.